I like to learn lessons from the world around me. I think that there are a lot of things that we can learn as we observe nature. So in this video, I'm going to share with you one thing that I learned as I was out walking. This is also really good practice for your listening comprehension because I talk really normally and naturally in this video. And if you like the video, please subscribe, hit like, share it. These things really help me. And I hope that you enjoy this. Also, afterwards, please leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Do you agree with me or not? What's a lesson that you learned through nature recently? Share with me.
I really love to take like pictures and videos, you know. But in order to do that, you have to kind of look at things from different angles, right? Like stepping up here gives me this view. But if I step down, only this, not quite the same, right? And it's kind of like that in life, you know? Sometimes we get stuck looking in only one direction at one thing, and we have to keep moving. You know, sometimes we see things that aren't so attractive, and all we need to do in our life to get rid of these, terrible things is just keep moving. Keep looking for a different view, right? If we just step out, keep moving, keep going, then we don't know what's in store. You know, we can be looking at the same thing too, but from a different vantage point. It looks so different from here than it does from here, or even from here, or here. But maybe if your view is this, maybe all you need to do is just turn around. Turn around. There is beauty all around you. You just have to look for it.